We're in Shreveport, Louisiana, talking about how to protect your vehicle against dust and debris. Sonya, besides keeping your car looking fresh, why is this important?
It's definitely about more than just the looks. Dust and debris can damage your car's paint, clog filters, and affect overall performance. Starting with the basics, a good wash and wax not only keeps your car looking great, but also protects the paint from abrasive particles.
So wash and wax, what about the inside?
The interior is important too. Regularly vacuuming the inside of your car and changing out air filters can prevent dust from accumulating and keep the air inside your car clean and allergen-free.
That makes sense. Now, what about when you're driving? Any tips for avoiding debris on the road?
So while driving, try to avoid following too closely behind like large trucks or driving on untreated roads when you can. These are often sources of debris that can chip your paint and crack your windshield.
Got it. So keep my distance, stick to treated roads when possible. Anything else we should keep in mind?
Yes, so if you park outside, it's smart to use a car cover. That can really help protect against dust and debris and even the elements like rain or hail. It's a simple step that can prolong the life of your exterior.
Great advice, Sonya. And remember, routine maintenance is important, but CarShield is there to help cover the cost of unexpected repairs.
That's right. For more tips on how to keep your vehicle in top condition, check out CarShield TV.